Vatican to have this opportunity. The
8th of May was very. The holiness. This is our mother from Częstochowa.
Częstochowa. Beautiful. Beautiful prayer. Cardinal Wyszynski.
Yes, Cardinal Wyszynski's emphasis.
Ah, his life. Okay. Very nice.
Rules of our freedom.
Yes, yes. From the Baldacchino in St. Peter's Basilica, the Holy Spirit. The guidance of the Holy Spirit for all of us, for your country, for the World Day of Peace.
Mhm.
Translated also in Poland, which that was what we were thinking about, how important to be promoters of peace for all of us. And then we have this book, primarily photographs of different works of art. It's a living museum, actually, with many different rooms of the palace.
Thank you very much.
I'm very happy